Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on OG Fan Token. As in my previous videos, I was showing you that recently OG Fan Token has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very powerful pump. If you take a look at the live chart, then here you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have broken out another falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very powerful pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was more than 546% pump. And for a while, the price and also broke out this quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well that was previously working as support. And now, for a while, the price had moved above this resistance, but could not save this uptrend line resistance as a support. And while retesting, it has broken it down. In fact, it was rejected by this long-term resistance on that starts from $14.32 and goes to $17. And in today's video, we will analyze this breakout once again. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for OG Fan Token that I shared almost 5 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for OG Fan Token that I shared 5 days ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that OG Fan Token formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone. However, it recovered back very soon and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 10% pump. And before that, we got almost 13% pump. And this move, by the way, I shared almost 7 days ago. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that OG Fan Token formed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. And this was almost 13% pump. And before that, in the same month of October, on 13th of October 2024, in the same current month, a few days ago, I shared another expected harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that OG Fan Token was completing on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal for this trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as predicted, the price line again dropped down, completed the final leg here, and again entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 32% pump only on this 1-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of OG Fan Token, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that this is the third falling wedge pattern, by the way, that OG Fan Token has broken out. First, it broke out this wedge here in the month of July 2022, then found another downtrend and resistance, and the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern was working as a resistance of the smaller falling wedge pattern, support of this falling wedge pattern, and we broke it out. Then we had a nice pump. And by the way, the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge, and after hitting that target, the price line recently formed another falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, finally, we have broken out the resistance. And again, the target was here at the top of the wedge, and you can see that we are very close to hit that target. But before that, it is rejected by this resistance. By the way, this is a complete resistance line that starts from $14.32 and goes to $17. You can see that previously it had been working as a resistance on here, and resistance on here. This time, the price line is rejected by the lower level or lower support or resistance of this resistance on. That is at $14.32, and now we have again broken down this uptrend line support, and now we will need to break out this uptrend line support once again as a resistance. And the technical target, by the way, for this breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $17 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.